Social media footage showed the moment the cabin of a cargo truck with the driver inside was seen hanging over the edge of a collapsed road bridge in China. In the video, the person filming the scene could be heard telling the driver that there was no mobile connectivity and to wait for the fire department to come rescue him. The bridge had collapsed due to a landslide triggered by continuous heavy rainfall. The Guizhou Blue Sky Rescue Team then led the driver to safety via a harness and rope ladder.